Hello everyone, Dev here. Welcome to Viddle Interact review. In this video, we're going to talk about the software that create, host, play and market your clients' HD training, sales and course videos on any landing page, blog, Shopify and membership site. And make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll show you all the features, pricing, bonuses, and discounts. So you know what you're getting into if you decide to buy. Before we begin, I should warn you that this software is only available on their official website. If you want to buy this software, go to its official website. To make your search easier, I've included the official link in the description. Let's get started. Well, Viddle Interact is the all-in-one breakthrough multi-purpose interactive video marketing technology. This software is loaded with many amazing features that will help you create professional videos, import videos without API, host and play videos on ultra-fast server, market your videos, engage viewers, get targeted traffic and sales, and with many more benefits. This tool is really helpful for all video marketers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, business persons, entrepreneurs, online instructors, product and services providers, and for many others. Viddle Interact features. In Viddle you can easily record screencasts for your training courses, product demos, sales videos, tutorials, review videos, etc., and host them instantly on Viddle ultra-fast server. In Viddle live webcam recording like record webinar videos, testimonials, team feedback videos, etc., and host instantly in the cloud. And this software allows to simultaneous camera, audio and screen recording with picture-in-picture mode recording. Another cool features you can import any type of video from YouTube Vimeo without any APIs or extensions. In Viddle you can set live video premiere countdown timer, viral traffic and set the exact date and time you want your video to go live. You can share your videos on 9 different platforms in single click. Viddle pricing and upgrades. Viddle come with 2 front-end and 5 autos. Viddle Interact Personal and Viddle Interact Agency. You can own your Viddle front-end for $32 one-time price and for Agency Edition cost you $37. And I gave the coupon code in description to get extra $3 discount on Agency Edition. Auto 1 Viddle Interact Ultimate Edition. You can own your Viddle Ultimate Yearly Edition for $197 per year. Or you go with one-time price and for Agency Edition cost you $297. OTO 2, Viddle Professional at $59. Auto 3, Agency White Label. Auto 4, Viddle Drive. Auto 5, Fun LVO. And for Viddle VIP bundle $247, and this product came with 30 days money back guarantee, so if you don't like Music Maker you can return it, your money is 100% safe. But take advantage of limited time offer you for your convince. I'll include all OTOS and bundle deal links in description if you like to purchase the product. And use the coupon code in description to get 15% off on Viddle front end. When you get Viddle Interact, you also get 3 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, making 6 figures with Viddle Interact. You will take deeper into Viddle Interact, sharing with you effective ways in which you can monetize your video marketing. Bonus 2, Video Sauce. Video Sauce is a groundbreaking app, tapping into the red-hot video market and offering a truly innovative product that your customers. Bonus 3, Video Creation Resource. From slideshows and stop-motion animation to short films and remixes, video making is a tried-and-true way to get customer engagement.
Hey guys, Dev here. My personal opinion, should you buy Viddle? Yeah, Viddle is the only software in the market where you can record, store, publish and market videos easily in just few clicks. This software technology is drag and drop based, so you don't need any technical skills. So if you are newly to the video marketing and affiliate marketing or a business person, this software is very useful to you. because this video marketing software is designed and developed in such a way that anyone with or without having any skills or expertise can use it effectively. I would like to recommend this amazing groundbreaking software for all. That's it guys. I hope this video will helpful to you to take a best purchasing decision. Maybe if you feel like you've been stuck, comment below. I think maybe I can help. If this content is useful, then support our channel by liking the video and sharing this content to your friends. But don't forget to subscribe the channels, then only I can able to see you guys in another video. Have a great week. Cheers.